Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
As many of you know, this summer Luke and I traveled around the United States via campervan. As part of those campervan adventures, we spent time in Moab, Utah in a 2019 Dodge Ram ProMaster campervan, courtesy of Titus Adventure Company. The campervan from Titus's fleet that they let us use very generously was called EmmyLou, and EmmyLou was the top tier epitome of a spacious and comfortable campervan. We visited 2 of Utah's national parks, Arches and Canyonlands, and tested EmmyLou's durability and her comfort. It's completely off-grid, so there's no worry at the end of the day where to park up so that you can hook up to water or electricity. There's a wonderful hand pump sink that's easy to use in the kitchen galley, as well as heaps of storage for every kitchen and eating utensil you can possibly imagine. They even included a French press coffee maker, which was amazing. As I've already mentioned, EmmyLou set the bar for comfort very high. There was a memory foam mattress in the back that could actually be propped up so that at the end of the day we could read or watch a movie in the back, which added that extra level of comfort. The van kept warm on those cool desert nights thanks to state-of-the-art installation, and we also had LED lights inside the van, so it was never too dark, but we did have full privacy thanks to magnetic window shutters. The back of the van has an aptly named gear garage, which is basically a massive storage area so that you can house all of your hiking kit, rock climbing gear, and any other equipment that you might want to bring with you on your adventure. The thing that we loved most about Titus as a company is that it's a small business that's really committed to its mission of being good stewards of the environment while also making the outdoors more accessible to people. I know I speak for Luke when I say that the 2 of us could not recommend renting a 4x4 or a campervan from Titus more. The team was incredible to work with. They were super responsive to any of our questions. They made sure we knew exactly what to do and how the van worked before we even left the parking lot. Ultimately, our time in Utah was really made thanks to Titus and thanks to EmmyLou, our beloved campervan. I already miss her.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.